So you might be in a situation where for some reason your TikTok application, for some reason the live photos aren't working inside of it. So maybe you're inside of TikTok like this and you're going inside of your live photos, but the live photos aren't working and they're just not actually able to just work from that particular perspective. Now the first thing I'd recommend doing here is to go through and just basically update your TikTok application. So go jump right inside of TikTok like this, go ahead and search for TikTok, and all you're going to want to do is just search for TikTok like so. So find the TikTok application and you want to tap onto the update button. This can be a very, very easy way of just fixing this problem, because sometimes you might just have to update the application in order for it to kind of get triggered or for it to kind of even work in the first place. Now, if you do that and that doesn't seem to be working, the next thing you might have to try doing is to just go through and make your way over into your TikTok application and just make sure that your live photos and animated thumbnails are actually available. So inside of TikTok, you can just jump into TikTok like so. You can then go through and just open it up as you always would. You want to make your way over to your settings and privacy. And then what you're going to want to do is you want to go ahead and make your way over into this place called, accessibility. So there'll be a little accessibility option right inside of your settings, which is right over here. If I go and kind of bring down my volume a little bit, or my brightness, accessibility right here. Tap on accessibility, and there should be a little option for like animated thumbnails right here. All you're going to want to do is just, enable animated thumbnails, which is right over there at the bottom. And that can also help fix this problem as well. So try doing both those things. Hopefully that ends up fixing it for you. If you have any other thoughts or questions, please let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out till then.